Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are showing how you can make your fine flavored pap. So like this channel, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making pap, very flavoring pap. And how do we do this flavoring pap? I'm going to show you the things that we are going to add, the spices. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making flavoring pap. So in this video I'm going to show you the spices that you are going to add, and your pap will look thank you. So my beautiful people, making this flavoring pap, this is my corn that I'm using. I'm using yellow corn. You can use any other one. You can use millet, you can use kidney corn, you can use the white corn. So but here I'm using my yellow corn. So you soak your corn for 3 days so that it will be soft. You soak it for 3 days. So now it's soaked for 3 days. You see it is very soft, ready for grinding. So what I need to do now is to rinse it out from my soaking water, then take it for grinding. Please, when you are taking it off from the soaking water, make sure you wash it very well. Wash it very well. So I'm putting water now to wash it. So after washing it now, I'm taking it to my engine to blend. So making the spice, these are the spice, making the spicy flavoring pap. This is the spice that I'm adding ginger. You may add dry ginger, but I'm adding fresh one here. Then my clove, this is my clove that I'm adding. So add it together with the corn and grind it. Then you sieve it. You have your flavoring, very sweet pap. So you wash your ginger, then add it. I've added it now. Then add my clove. Then take it to engine for grinding. That's how your pap looks like after grinding. It's a very fine, very nice flavor. So I'm going to sieve it right away. So as we are going to sieve it, we need a clean cloth like that. That's my sieve cloth. And I'm taking water into it. Then I'll take my pap, pour into it like that. And this side, then I'll carry it up and sieve it gently. So we are done. That is the shaft of it. See how it is now. So we have the pap ready. I'm going to cover it and allow it to settle. See you in my next video. Thank you.